There we go.
Hi, baby.
You're gonna hate me because of that.
Wow! Exciting! She's like, what's going on?
Where is he? He's not coming. No, it's me.
Oh, yeah, why don't you give it to her?
That was crazy. I was surprised.
Surprise!
Getting the bed ready for Heath and his son.
Did you have something
Oh,
for somebody?
my
And then
goodness.
Anna.
Isabella, what do you
Did
think?
you know? You didn't know. You totally would have told me.
Yes.
You totally would have told me.
She would have totally given it away.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I had 2 beers and I'm ready to party.
Right
and
on.
here we are. You look awesome. My gosh.
I got a haircut yesterday and I had to get it fixed.
What? It looks so
All right, should I stop it or what?
Oh yeah, you can stop.
All right.